Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So kanjalo nje uBonkosi noma wakhe they were arrested because they found narcotics e-ofisini lase-Genesis, and uBonko is the CEO of Genesis, so obviously shows uyawazi. So they arrested them, kodwa they were resisting. Hey, uBonko was very very strong saying ngisibakela mina bathi hayi boy poison mfana. For the police you beat everyone saw that ey'ndabeni, maphephandaba, on TV na newspapers, everything. It was all over the place ukuthi hey they found this Genesis. Gabriel decided yena ukuthi yazini, let me go get my son, keep her out of this whole chaos. Kodwa Nobunhle was not impressed, and Unowa was like, Baba, are you the one who did this? Ubaba Khoza, so this is how you greet your dad. Use inkinga ukuthi nje sekenzeka inyahanyaha yabona nje uma noBonko they've been arrested for this. I was in uNobunhle wathi I know ukuthi it's you. Uthi uGabriel uNobunhle ne-attitude. uNobunhle has the attitude, and kuba ngaba benganayo le attitude naye bekade umthatha ahambe naye. uNobunhle wasakho indawo, so Noah doesn't have the say vele ukuthi no or yes ubaba kumlandile, uma wakhe is under arrest. Bampakela vele bahamba, and ilawyer yafika ema-ofisini asekuphi ase-police station to say to the detectives, I uncuff my people and look at this footage from a Genesis records. Ikhombisa bani? Ikhombisa liphoyisa, shame guys. Ikhombisa a policeman going to an office eGenesis ayofaka lezo zinto lezo. He was caught on camera. Phoyisa babalibuza imibuzo uthi yena it's AI bafojile, kodwa on the other hand uthi yena unayo u-2 meter that he can give to detective nje basquash this whole thing ibe go away. Uma mpholisa use no, bhala bhuti uMpumi uthoma great news. Gabriel amsendela isamba. uMpumi went and bought a land for uma wakhe for what? A double story. Uwenda kasajabulanga we guys. She was even crying ukuthi yo nkosi yami Mpumi, don't say ukuthi hey it's happening. Baba release abakwaThabethe, and uMaruna came to say, yo guys, I just wanted to make sure if you're right. Felish was like, wena lana, what's yeah, but this is not the right time. And uNobunhle tells uFelicia ukuthi hey phela uGabriel came. uFelicia wavela wathi impahla waba kuphi, washaya khona. uGabriel tells the policeman that he shouldn't include him because yena he's not involved. Phoyisa lenjani lingaze lidlule ngiThabo Bester, so he should think of something because yena akangeni lapho, and umfazi wakhe nomntanakhe they'll be in danger. Kanjani uFelicia sekachamuka azofetha uNoah, and uGabriel was like, no weekend what. So Felicia, no, this weekend you're gonna be a busy man, so I'd rather take Noah. Boy, such a busy man, but under arrest man, under arrest for conspiracy, for possession of narcotics, for nje everything. Sanbonan. I think if we can take it back a little bit, there was a day Dana uNoah witness ubabakhe telling uma wakhe, which is uFelicia and Gabriel, that Gabriel will not stop at nothing. Will not stop at nothing. Uyayizwa indaba. uFelicia akadestroyeki. And Noah witnessed that, and he told ubabakhe ukuthi I know what you said, and I know ukuthi yonke into le yenteka eGenesis it's because you said that you're gonna make sure that my mom will come begging ngemanisi wakhe and all that. So now this is happening, kusho ukuthi it's your fault. uGabriel managed to convince uNoah ukuthi it was not him. So I think if all these things happening, uNoah has it in his mind ukuthi my man ulomuntu lona, I still remember what he said. I still remember his words exactly, saying that I will destroy you, I will destroy everything, I will destroy everything, even the foundation. Yazi ukuthi ngidestroy i-building nemathayira until to the foundation, but kubonakala ku-next ngathi there was a sports ground laphana. And Unowa still remembers those words. That's the reason why Unowa said, "Are you the one who did this?" When Gabriel came to fetch him, was it because a lot of things are happening lapayana? Unowa is like, uyazi inside the heart ukuthi no, ubaba wami is the one who's doing these things to uma wami. And naye as umntana I feel like he's lost nje, akazazi ukuthi kumele ayenze kanjani, because vele I think the court would allow Gabriel to take Unowa should anything mhlambe Felicia be arrested, because Gabriel is Unowa's dad, and by law my parents are, if they're still alive, one of them or is the one who's supposed to be. So I feel like now Lenduleka Gabriel being someone who feels like everything should be happening to Yena, he's the one who's entitled to Tindrit Hambagashi, and legitimate learning affects Unowa in a way or in many ways that Yena Gabriel thinks, because at some point when the whole reading things was happening in Apana Genesis, Noah came back and said that my parents, alaba from school, said that they shouldn't play with him because if family yakubo is being charging what and anything. So anything that is happening, because the Gabriel likes the publicity, and he thinks that a public would give him the power and all that to destroy anyone and anything. Yeah, once the public believes it, it's gonna happen. That's what he said when he went to tell people that he'll be partnering with Genesis Gule garden. Yeah, Gule the garden tour. And they didn't include him. And when Felicia said that they're not going to give him that, and he said that, so you want to fight with the public? What do you think people are going to do or say, or how they're gonna handle it? Do you want people to come and ban Genesis because they want to see what's it and so yeah, in his mind it's like people, you can give people anything and all that as long as you feel like it's what they want. Yeah, but they will take it regardless ukuthi i-right for labantu laba who are involved or kanjani. This is how the world has turned into now, because yena so crucify Genesis yonke through the public, yabo. So it affects Unowa, because even my parents alabo bantwana labo, they will see those things happening endabeni, newspapers everywhere. So now yena he gets a chance to be arrested, and Felicia doesn't do the same thing. Felicia doesn't call my newspaper to say, hey, hambane kuphi, and you will see Gabriel naye, because Marge is going to be arrested for this and that and that. Okay, so I was saying that the other day, how can't bona they didn't prepare themselves for anything. It turns out that very they did install those cameras, because this time around I feel like those cameras really saved them. Because Gabriel, I think we hinted lentally, like weeks back, we hinted to them saying that bazongena, and they will search and search and search until one day Leslie turns into something else. I feel like he said it. Now I was going to blame them. I already said that you guys, if this time around abakai prepare, if this time around I didn't do anything to be ready for this one, you guys, I don't know believe, but they took precaution, because putting those cameras really did save them, because who would want to have an office lana kunana camera corner? And it's very important to be discreet about those things, because if Gabriel would have known good lapana, there are cameras, and whoever is going to go and plant the evidence lapana bazomthola camera. Now he's saying to this guy, you don't know my stakeouts and all that, forgetting Gusiena. He is not part of Genesis records, right? When they decide to do anything or something big, they don't include him. And if this morning around 12 o'clock, Genesis Records decides to say like something massive is happening, Genesis and all that, Gabriel would want something to happen the very same day. If they issue a statement today saying that Nhlambe album ban sold out very well and all that, before the end of this day, Gabriel would want to do something very, very massive so that Mapepanzaba and all outlets know about it. So when does this guy going to get a time to stick out? Because hamba i-Genesis Records, uhambe uyokungena nosu. If basi now is now, when do you get the time to stake out? One goes, okay, who's coming in, who's coming out, who's doing this, who's doing that? It's like I'm going to your kid, your son, and your wife to the policeman. Can't you Gabriel guys question how much money does he have? How much money does he have that yena he would be able to pay mapoisa and people, everyone would be so scared of him because he's using money to move this and that. And if Gabriel has this money, or had this money or has access to all this money, why did he have to use Umpumo to go to Umzwake to do whatever it is that he wanted her to do now to get money? Is that not greed? If really Gabriel has the money to pay, because this cop said to that detective, I have 2 million that I can give you. So 2 million for Lama rates and all that. Gabriel has money, right? Why did he have Umpumo go to Umzwake and spend the night with Umzwake? Because of more man, but he has managed to do all these things. He has managed to mosha impilo yabantu like it's nothing. What kind of person is this Gabriel Kahle?